Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mix color text in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application on your device and begin a new project. Next, import the video clip or image you wish to edit into your project timeline. Once your media is in place, locate the text option in the bottom menu. Tap on it and then select Add Text to insert a default text box onto your screen. This is our starting point for creating vibrant, multicolored text effects. Now type out the text you want to colorize. After entering your text, select your first desired color from the color palette. You can also adjust the font style and size to fit your video's aesthetic. Once you are happy with the initial text, carefully duplicate this text layer. It's crucial that the duplicated layer is an exact copy, maintaining the same font, size, and position for a seamless effect. This duplication is key to our mixed color technique. With your duplicated text layer selected, navigate to the mask option within the editing tools. Choose a suitable mask shape, such as a rectangle or linear mask, depending on your desired color split. Carefully adjust the mask's position and size to cover only the portion of the text you want to remain in the original color. The unmasked part will then be ready for a new color. This step allows for precise control over where each color appears. Finally, select the duplicated text layer again and change the color of the unmasked section to your second desired hue. You can further refine the mask's feathering to create a softer or sharper transition between the two colors. Experiment with different mask orientations and colors to achieve unique effects. Once satisfied, export your video in high quality. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Enjoy your vibrant new text.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.